Okay, Assalamualaikum and good day. Welcome back to my video. This is the second part of video constructing a bar chart using ggplot package, right? So in this last video, I already show you how to construct a simple bar chart using ggplot package. So in this video, I'm going to continue by showing how to add color to the bar chart, right? So we have many options to input our color. Let's look at the first option. So first option, I'm going to use, I think, this one, and then I'm going to work out from here. Let's say I add GG title. So I'm going to copy this one, right, and then this one should be close, and then this one should be X label, and then this one should be Y label, right? So this is the first option, So to create a bar chart, right, with color, first we can use fill function. Fill equal to CYL, the same category, so it will color automatically lah. So this is the first option. For the second option, right, so this is first option, we cannot choose the color lah, because the R will choose accordingly. So the first option, without filling, specify the fill value, the fill argument, we specify the color here, which is BG equal to, let's say, light blue. So it will change to light blue, or you can change it accordingly by using light blue, maybe next one light green, and next is maybe pink color. Alright, so it will change accordingly lah. So don't forget to close bracket properly, so it will change accordingly. Right, so this is for second option. Right, let's say you want to color with the back border of the bar. So maybe BG is for coloring, and then I want to add another one, which is color equal to, let's say, brown, for example. So it will change the color for border for each graph, right? So we can change interchangeably. So let me use my color setting. I already set the color. Maybe this one, I'm going to replace this one, right? So it will change accordingly, right? So this is for third option. And fourth option, we can use using scale fill option, right? Scale fill. So if you type scale underscore fill, right, initially it will show the drop down menu for ggplot package. We have variety of scale fill. We have scale fill bin, brewer, continuous, date time, and so on lah. So we're going to apply this one. So how to apply this one? I'm going to copy this one, and definitely I'm going to remove the argument of color in geombar, but I'm going to input the fill value in CYL, and I add plus. I'm going to add scale underscore fill. Let's say I'm going to use hue, right? So I'm going to use hue. So it will change like this, but you can specify C equal the hue color C from 90 to 360. Right? So we have option, the hue color can be choose from 0 to 360. Right, let me change this one to 60 and this one to 120, so it will change accordingly lah. So this is the option to choose from 0 to 360 to be choose, right? Another one, we have scale fill manual, right? Instead of using scale fill hue, we can use scale fill manual. Scale fill manual. So scale fill manual same as this one, but maybe I can copy this one, right? So this one should be this, and then I'm going to input values equal to this color. So it will change. Wait down. Something wrong here. Yep. Wait, yeah, so I think this one not enough bracket, so I'm going to call this one, so it will change accordingly lah. So I can change it based on my own preference. Let me change to the light, more brighter, so maybe this one, right? So this is a scale fill manual, right? Instead of putting the define our color inside the geom bar, we can put our color on scale fill manual. And we also have scale fill brewer. So let me copy this one. So add scale fill brewer. Oops. So it will change accordingly lah, right? So that is fourth option. So you can explore more by find the scale fill function available in R, right? So now let's look at scale fill brewer. Scale fill brewer, let me call library R color brewer, right? So I can use the palette equal to pastel 1, as we already learned in previous video, right? So we can change accordingly based on the color preference that we want, right? Okay, maybe I can change to accent, maybe I can change to Y lot, right? It's based on your own preference lah. Okay, or you can also use color brewer based on the bar chart, right, on the geom bar. So instead of, but you need to remove the fill, right? We put brewer dot pol n equal to 3 palette name equal to pastel 1, for example. Let me, this one should be BG lah, BG equal to, right? So it will change accordingly. And then you can also change for color brewer, right? It will change accordingly. Okay, so that is for color. You can also change, increase the size to increase size of border line of the bar, right? So to increase the border size, border line of the bar, so you can use size. Let's say I copy this one. You can add another argument on the geom bar. You can put size equal to 2, so it will change, it will increase the size. So this one is hard to see because we are using the same color. Maybe I'm going to choose this color. So for the easiness of looking at the color different, so maybe this one to this one, right? So you can see the color, the size of border is increased. So this one increase more. This is standard. Maybe we can make it lesser, right? This is good. Okay, so this is the end of part 2 video. We will continue on the part 3 video, right? So stay tuned, part 3 video. Part 3 we will discuss on how to adjust the width of the bar, input the text of the bar, right, and so on. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.